My name is Jeff Bull. I'm a developer community manager for Orkes. Orkes Conductor is a workflow orchestration platform designed to allow you to build out your applications in a much simpler way, a much quicker way, so you can focus on the core things you need to do with your app and not all that other code, the back-end code that you usually spend a lot of time with. It lets you just speed all that development process out while also letting it handle all of the back-end infrastructure for you. I had no idea hackathons were even a thing. I'm of the age, like the dot-com boom was happening when I should have been at the age learning this stuff, but my high school had like one computer lab. I didn't have a home computer until I was like 20 years old, and it meant that I just wasn't around those concepts. Being around people, and then two, being around the students and seeing them get excited about the thing that they just built and this concept that they had an idea for that comes to life, seeing like in this case, finance, data analytics, healthcare. The healthcare one was amazing because what the students come up with, like, no, this is an actual problem that my mom or my aunt or my cousin dealt with. I want to go build something to make their life easier. I can just do it. All the tools are accessible. They're like, you've just given them to me and you gave me a quick timeline to work in, and they just power through and come up with these solutions that can be scaled to actually solve real problems that bureaucracy and money and time and business initiatives get in the way of in the real world, in corporate America or corporate wherever. But for students, it's like, it's all in front of us. Can we just go make something happen? And they do. That is like the icing on the cake for anything that we do, and the hackathons in specific. It's also a really good way to help for our business in the long run, because these developers then realize, oh my gosh, this is so helpful, and hopefully continue to use it even in their free sandbox version, and eventually can have an influence in these businesses and companies they go to, like, oh, this is actually a better way to develop your apps. I was never around it until very recently, and now I come to these events and it's like, it kind of blows my mind every time I'm at one of these, and what I'm learning just by hearing people talk.